Okay, so digital or video interviewing works in a similar vein to the questionnairing stuff I put above, but again, there's something different to physically writing a questionnaire and distributing it digitally to the forethought and planning that goes into doing an interview. And I've seen both examples of voice over internet or kind of video conferencing interviews where you're actually interviewing a person in real time. But one interesting aspect I have reviewed is using the preparation or the construction of questions for interview as an insight into what students understand to be important parts of topics and important bits of information they'd like to gather. And in the same way that questions have to be carefully constructed for questionnaires, they also have to be carefully constructed for interviews. And so it can be, again, historical examples of interviewing someone that is deceased or someone's motivations for doing some sort of historical event, to any sort of application you can think of in terms of or actually preparing an interview for someone and sending that the way and then allowing them to reply in their own time. Both of these practices do encourage students to really think about the questions they're asking ahead of time, and also, but the actual writing and distribution, and sending of them can be facilitated much more easily using digital technology. So if you can think of an application in your faculty or your department that might use that, then again, tick the yes.